So it was a privilege for Galvins to be here today as the major sponsor, celebrating World Plumbing Day. It's so great to see so many plumbing companies, merchants and suppliers come together. Galvins are here and always been here to support the apprentices and all the businesses that have come in and given us business over the past 9 years. So it's a great event.
There's plenty going on here. There's lots of people, free food, free coffee, lots of suppliers with lots of merch. It's a great celebration for all the plumbers in our industry.
It's great to be here on the Friday morning for World Plumbers Day for MPA. We're representing Steel Blue, which is a WA-owned company, been around for 26 years. Yeah, so here we are with all the apprentices, plumbers. Great morning.
CTF here today supporting NPA Skills at the World Plumbing Day, letting apprentices know about their tool voucher and employers about their government funding.